here's this new app called Soda Make New Friends. What is it exactly? It's suddenly ranking the top charts in social networking, and a lot of people actually unhappy about it instantly. Why is that? So seems this app is kind of replacing Wink app. So you can see kind of the same logos in the Wink and Soda. So Wink app is actually was quite popular. Wink app is kind of like a different option for Tinder. You can swipe people, you can look for different profiles, you can see chat requests, you can message people, you can chat with those, and then yeah, you can just upgrade. So it's kind of one of alternatives for Tinder or for some other dating apps. But now there is a Soda app, and this is an app which mainly focuses on like random video chat. So if you just open the app, Soda app, you will see that this app is basically like a random video chatting app. You can create your own avatar, customize your look, customize all your details, just like you do it in other apps. And then you can just chat, select a chat, and you will match up random audio chat using your avatar. So that's what it is basically. And then you have your profile here, and then you can customize your profile. You can also upgrade here: 3 months $25, 1 month $10, or 1 week $4.99. Then you have your name, your age, you can add your Snapchat, search preferences, who do you want to meet, verified profiles only or something like that. You can also delete your account in Soda app, but I'm just not sure whether like Wink app will be deleted. So if you just go to Soda app, you can see that reviews are not that great here. And then about app change, people are not happy for this sudden change from Wink to Soda. Wasn't exactly the smart option to do. I don't understand why there is only a calling choice. Not everyone feels comfortable with being on a call. Someone can get anxiety from calling instead of chatting. So bring back Wink, give us back Wink. So for me, like, I still can see both Wink and Soda app in the App Store. I have no idea whether Wink app will be deleted completely or what happened here. I still can use both apps, but when you create an account in Soda app, you automatically create an account in Wink app. So this is kind of like a one app ecosystem. So like here you can see like all the apps made by this developer. So that's basically the idea of this. So yeah, there you have it. So I don't know, what do you think about this app? Do you like it? You don't like it? Do you have any insights whether Wink will be deleted? Please leave that in the comments. So that's what it is. Hope it is helpful.